Okay, so I'm out in Zephyrhills. See over there's a mini storage. And here we have a house from the Horton called the Allex 2, 1,560 square feet. Raining. So let's see, hopefully this is open. Yes it is. It's always fun doing this when it rains. Well, not really, but a little bit. At least it's not crazy hot. I'd rather get wet and dry than be in the insane 100-degree heat. So let's check this house out. Seems pretty cool so far. What should I say? It seems spacious for something so small. I'll show you where I'm standing. I'll step back a bit, and you can see a lot of floor space. Now I feel like I might have seen this house someplace else. I do think I have, and I think it was in Wildwood, although I could be wrong. Or maybe it's just similar. So you have a 2-car garage over here, and you can see it's a small 2-car garage, but at least it's a 2-car. You can see when I put my foot over here, this is what I show in a lot of videos. That's why I put my foot over here. So you can see that's like the minimum spacing. But the good thing is that your hot water heater is here. And for a house this size, to have a 2-car garage is nice. And here's your laundry room. Yeah, great little house. I like this. And I do think I have seen this with something very similar. I really, really appreciate this right here. That's nice. And got a full bathroom. Towel closet. Could definitely add more shelves to that towel closet. And here is a bedroom. So you got a full, or should I say a full-size bed. It looks like a full-size bed to me. I'm always terrible with sizing up beds. Probably the one bed that I could recognize is a twin. And then after that I'm like, well, is this a full or is this a queen? I think it's a full. Very wide closet here, look at this. Very wide, big closet. Now the bedroom. Please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me if you're interested in purchasing a house over here or any place else in Florida. No pressure sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer's agent. I do not work for or represent any home builders. The salespeople at the home builders always work for the builder, represent the builder with the builder's best interest. And that's what any home builder, they always work for the builder, not for the buyer. This is a nice room, nice and large, nice and spacious. Again, this looks like, I guess it's a full-size bed. I'm going to go with full. I'm going to go with full because, I mean, it's larger than a twin, but I don't think it's a queen. All right, and what do we have here? We have, fantastic kitchen. Yeah, look at this. Plenty of countertop space. especially for a house this size. Again, when you're talking about something that's, what is it, 1,500 something, or just under 1,600 square feet. You know, usually you'll get like a small island or whatever, and that's kind of it. But you got the nice bends over here. And again, another nice large closet, which this is probably the pantry. And let's check out the Lanai. Oh, fantastic. You can see they got 2 seats out here. So you got plenty of space to put a few chairs and a table and even cook out there. Just a nice, wide, long, but yet separated appearance here. I like it. I like it a lot. And if you've watched my videos, you know that I really don't care for single stories, although I have owned in the past. I prefer a 2-story, but this is nice. You got a nice large master bedroom too, kind of off in the corner. Let's take a look at the closet. Yeah, nice big closet for something this size. Again, they really did an excellent job with the square footage. I'm expecting, yeah, the bathroom to take a bit of a hit, but I mean, it's still perfectly fine. You got your shower, and it's a large shower. And let's see, you got your sink. Got your 2 sinks, and this should be the toilet. Yep, here's the toilet. So, yeah, I mean, you know, the toilet is, oh wow, I kind of matched the bathroom. I'm in gray. And the bathroom is pretty gray overall. So again, you know, an awesome size master bedroom. Yeah, I like this layout a lot. What's nice about it too is that, you know, over here is the 2 bedrooms, you know, and then here's a bath. So 2 bedrooms are nice and close to a bath. And you know, this over here, there's a table over here. So if the people that are sleeping here had to get ready in the morning, they could kind of sneak in the kitchen kind of quietly and then sit here and eat.